When we decide to live our ethics with every food choice we make, we experience deep satisfaction. That satisfaction grows and spreads within us. We realize that we are no longer making choices from just the point of view of self-gratification, but from compassion. We begin to see ourselves differently, for we are different. Our choices and actions now resonate with our ethics, and our sense of self becomes more whole. We have used compassion, reason and logic to guide our actions, and by living within these chosen parameters we support our own well-being and happiness, as well as the well-being and happiness of life around us. When we choose to live our values and stop eating other creatures, we reduce the burden of cause and effect that is the natural law of our universe. The word karma is in the everyday vocabulary of many people around the globe and is intrinsic to our discussion of the benefits of being vegetarian. The karma resulting from the taking of plant life, which has limited consciousness and volition, as opposed to animal life with its higher awareness and will, is much less severe. Remember the child who knew that picking a flower would not get her in as much trouble as hunting a cat, which in turn brought about less punishment than harming a person? That same understanding applies here. We exist on what can be visualized as a ladder of consciousness, with humankind on the top rung and plant life on the bottom. This concept is easy to understand simply by observing how life around us operates every day. Among all species, only humans have the ability to do advanced reasoning, to question our existence and wonder about the universe, to seek to understand the mysteries and meaning of life and death. While taking any life at all has consequences, killing lower forms of life naturally results in fewer consequences. The karmic burden of eating plants is analogous to climbing a steep mountain wearing a t-shirt, shorts, and hiking boots, easily done, while the karmic burden of eating animals is like making that climb with boots of iron and a very heavy backpack, virtually impossible. We want to divest ourselves of the weight of karma resulting from our participation in the deaths of animals. So why be vegetarian? The answer is straightforward: for the earth, for our health, to reduce the suffering of animals, to increase well-being and compassion, and to lighten the heavy load of karma that killing piles upon us. We can choose a way of living that benefits every aspect of life.